Good morning, children. Yes, good morning. My dear children, in these days, I encourage you all to help the poor and needy. Do share kindness. Yes, children, take your assignment. We will check our answers. First one, fill in the blanks. First question. Take your first question. Non-metals are neither dash malleable nor ductile. Second question. Take your second question. Dash diamond. What's the answer? Diamond, a form of carbon. Diamond, a form of carbon, is very hard. Answer: diamond and carbon. Third question. SO2 plus H2O gives. What's the answer? H2SO3. Sulfurous acid. Fourth one. CO2 plus H2O gives. What's the answer? H2CO3. H2CO3. Carbonic acid. Yes, fifth fill up. Sulfur reacts with 6HNO3 nitric acid to form sulfuric acid H2SO4 plus 6NO2 plus water. Then second Roman letter. Take your second Roman letter. Answer the following. Write the chemical properties of nonmetals. Write the chemical properties of nonmetals. React with water. Most nonmetals do not react with water. Phosphorus, which catches fire when exposed to air, are stored in water. However, fluorine, chlorine, bromine react with water to form acids. Reaction with oxygen. Non-metal reacts with oxygen to form acidic or neutral oxides. Example, carbon and sulfur react with oxygen to form acidic oxides, which then dissolve in water to form acids. C plus O2, CO2. CO2 plus H2O gives H2CO3. S plus O2, SO2. SO2 plus H2O gives sulfurous acid H2SO4. Then carbon monoxide and nitrous oxide are neutral. They do not form acids in dissolving water. Next one, reaction with acids. Unlike metals, non-metals do not replace hydrogen in acids. However, silicon reacts with hydrochloric acid to form silicon tetrachloride, releasing hydrogen. Then sulfur reacts with hot concentrated nitric acid and to form sulfuric acid, nitrogen dioxide and water. That's all, children. Children, we are going to learn about the differences between the metals and non-metals. See the first difference. First one, metals have metallic texture. non-metals do not have non-metals do not have lecture. Say the exceptional, say all of you, is except graphite, and iodine. Second one. Say the second difference, they are good conductors of heat and electricity. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. What is non-metals? Non-metals are bad conductors. Non-metals are bad conductors of heat and electricity, except graphite. Third point. Say the third point. They are malleable. Non-metals are malleable and ductile. Non-metals are neither malleable nor ductile. What's the third point, children? Say the third point. Metals are malleable and ductile. Non-metals are neither malleable nor ductile. Fourth point. Say the fourth point. They are sonorous. They are not sonorous. Children, fifth point, metals have high tensile strength. Non-metals have low tensile strength. Then sixth point, metals have high melting point. However, mercury is a liquid at room temperature. What's the sixth point? Metals have high melting point. However, mercury is a liquid even at room temperature. Then, non-metals have low melting point. Non-metals have low melting point. Say the exception is except graphite. Then seventh point. All metals are hard. All metals are hard and strong. All metals are hard and strong. However, sodium and potassium. Listen children, all metals are hard and strong. However, sodium and potassium are soft. And mercury is a liquid. Listen children, metals are hard and strong. However, sodium and potassium are soft and mercury is a liquid. The non-metals do not hoard. They do not hoard. Non-metals, they do not hard and strong except, say the answer, except diamond. Yes. Then chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Yes, first point. Metals react with oxygen. Say the answer. Metals reacts with oxygen to form basic oxides. Say the first point. Metals reacts with oxygen to form basic oxides. Example, magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Say the answer for non-metals. Non-metals react with oxygen and form what? Say all of you. Non-metals react with oxygen to form acidic or neutral oxides. Non-metals react with oxygen to form acidic or neutral oxides. Then carbon reacts with oxygen. Know the carbon dioxide. Sulfur reacts with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. Then second point. Metals react with water to form hydroxides or oxides. Hydroxides or oxides along with hydrogen. Say the answer. Metals react with water to form hydroxides or oxides along with hydrogen. Magnesium reacts with water to form MgO plus H2. Yes. Magnesium reacts with water to form magnesium oxide plus hydrogen. Then non-metals. Non-metals do not react with water. Listen children, first point. Metals react with oxygen to form basic oxides. 2Mg plus O2, 2MgO. Non-metals react with oxygen to form acidic or neutral oxides. C plus carbon reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. S plus O2, this water. SO2. Then next point, metals react with water to form hydroxides or oxides along with hydrogen. Mg plus H2O gives MgO plus H2. Non-metals do not react with water. Yes, third point. Most metals react with dilute acids. to form their salts. To form their salts and liberate hydrogen. Example, magnesium reacts with hydrochloric acid and to form magnesium chloride. Magnesium reacts with hydrochloric acid to form magnesium chloride and hydrogen. So the non-metals do not react with dilute acids. Non-metals do not react with dilute acids except silicon. Yes. Listen children, at home you study the differences between the metals and non-metals, the physical properties of metals and non-metals and the chemical properties of metals and non-metals, and write it in your notebook. Thank you children.